Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make kebabs, beef kebabs on the grill. Nicely sizzling. Three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let them nicely sizzle. Sizzle it. You hear the sound? So then some oil. Some pepper. These are the most selling. Okay. Herb. There's herb. Then it's here, one side, color. See this guy. Wow. Okay. Wow. It's a sizzle. Same time. Get nice color this side. That's a good one. Give you more color. More color.
Somebody backed a little electric scooter into a table and flipped it, broke it.
It's okay?
Yeah. There was only one other person sitting at the table and she's like, I'm gonna get my food to go. I'm gonna take it to my room. I don't want to eat down here. I'm like, I don't blame you. I don't want to eat diarrhea.
This is here. And then try a little bit more. This side. Thank you. Over. Camera on. See you later.